Our group chose to do our economic systems video project on the country Germany. Our group consists of Alexis Koenig, Brooklyn Roback, Maddie and Kamicia, and Phoebe Kalinsky. First, we must answer the question, what? What kind of economy does Germany have? Based on our team's research, we found out that Germany has a mixed economy. Next, you must answer the question, how? How is Germany a mixed economy? Well, Germany allows for a free market economy in consumer goods and business services. People in Germany can make their own business and buy what they choose since it has characteristics of a market economy. The government imposes regulations, even in the areas, to protect citizens. Germany has a command economy in defense since everyone receives benefit, while those with higher income pay more taxes. The government also provides healthcare insurance and education, which means you pay into the system according to your income and receive benefits according to your needs. Since the government provides these, it demonstrates characteristics of a command economy. Now we must ask who. Who answers the three questions? The consumers answer the three questions in their economy. The three questions answered by the citizens include what to produce, how to produce, and from whom to produce. Since German citizens are able to impact what is produced by entrepreneurs, they are the ones who answer the three questions. Even though the government provides services for individuals, it does not limit the citizens' role in the economy, since it is a mixed economy. Since the government provides services, Germany is part command economy. Next, we will be talking about primary industries in Germany and how this nation is important to the world's economy. Germany is dominated by manufacturing industries, including automotive, chemicals, metals such as iron and steel, electrical equipment, coal, ships, machine tools, high precision equipment, optics, pharmaceuticals, textiles, and plastic goods. How is Germany important to the world's economy? Well, Germany is important to the world's economy since Germany produced $4.2 trillion in 2019, as measured by the nominal gross domestic product. Germany is the world's fourth largest economy, following the United States, China, and Japan. Germany exports goods to the US, France, the UK, China, the Netherlands, Belgium, Czech Republic, Sweden, Hungary, Italy, Austria, Switzerland, and Poland. Germany is the second largest export market. Germany earns about $1.5 trillion from its exports. If you glance to the right, you can see a map of the world. The red is Germany. Germany's recent annual gross domestic product. Germany is Europe's largest national economy and ranks fourth as the largest economy by nominal GDP in the world. It is also the fifth largest economy in the world by GDP. Germany's recent annual GDP is 3.67 trillion US dollars. Next, we need to define Germany's gross domestic product per capita. Germany's GDP per capita in US dollars is $44,469.91. Lastly, we must figure out, is Germany capitalist, socialist, or communist? Germany has a capitalist economy because the government provides some services for the public, but unlike a true socialist government, they do not receive all their goods from the government. Therefore, little of the economy is owned by the government, so it is a highly successful capitalist economy. Germany's legal system is based on civil law. It consists of a legislature and an independent judiciary. Legislative power resides at both the federal and the state level. The Constitution presumes that all legislative power remains at the state level unless otherwise provided. Here are the resources that we used. Thank you so much for listening to our Economic Systems video project on Germany. Have an amazing day.